SecurityAllStar.com is delighted to announce a brand new service to all of our customers for free. Zero. Nothing. If you're an existing monitored customer, whether you're residential or whether you are commercial, we are offering something called the safety button. It is like an extension of your security system wherever you go. Residential gets one person for free, commercial gets 2 customers for free, and you can add as many people as you want onto your account. Here's the great thing. You're at the mall, you're at the park, you're spending time with your family, you're out having fun, and something happens and you need police support. You need someone to come protect you. The safety button is with you wherever you go as long as you have your phone. If you will email us, support@securityallstar.com, again, that is support@securityallstar.com, we will set you up free of charge. The software will push it to your phone and you can have that available to take the safety button wherever you go. It's like a nationwide panic button. A lot of our customers are also forgetting one perk of working with us and being a partner with us is that you get to buy personal defense gear, guns, firearms, and ammunition at wholesale cost. Doesn't matter where you are in the U.S. I know we have customers all over the U.S. Feel free to email us. You can go right to the bottom of the website even. There's a place you can submit a special price request there and let us know what you'd like to get. Remember, Christmas is right around the corner and you get things at true wholesale, our invoice cost as a firearms dealer. The last thing is I want you to think about identity theft for your family. We have Identity Lock. It's our own service. It's up to $1 million in coverage. Covers the entire family, everybody in the household, up to 8 people, indigent parents, children up to 18 or 26 if they're a student. And the number one theft in the United States right now, you're 20 times more likely to have something happen with your identity than you are to have someone break into your home. This also covers your mortgage, the title to your home. That is also rising in theft right now, and this gives you up to $1 million in coverage to clean up the mess should you have something like that happen. Don't forget, support@securityallstar.com if you want to activate the safety button, like that panic button nationwide. Don't forget you also get wholesale firearms and gear from us. And lastly, if you're not currently an Identity Lock customer, please consider getting Identity Lock or giving it to one of your family members for Christmas. It is the best way to protect your personal information, your family's personal information, and the title to your home. What else could you ask for?